Hey, what's going on? You in the tube. So I thought I'd make a quick video on how to change the spark plugs on a 2019 Hyundai Sonata. On the tools I'll be using. Very simple job. I'll be just using a spark plug tool. I'll need a 10 mil with some extensions. I'll be also using some anti-seize here. And the spark plugs I'm running with today are the Bosch. And there's the part number there. So before we get started, we'll disconnect our battery terminal. Am I saying that right? Negative battery terminal. First thing you do is just pop this cover off. This plastic cover. Some little clips here that we're gonna have to pull back on. So we'll just pull back on these. It's kind of hard to get. There we go. And once we pull back on them, we can push in and pull out like so. So I'll be doing this to the other three, and I'll cut y'all back on. All right, so then we're just going ahead and break loose our 10 mils here and all our coil packs. I had to disconnect this wire that's going to the high pressure fuel pump. So let's see. There we go. So I got all my 10s out, so I just be pulling these out. I'm putting my coils back exactly where I got them out of. One thing I forgot to mention, you're gonna need a magnet if you don't have a boot on the inside of your spark plug socket. Like I never have a boot, so yeah, get a magnet. So once you've broken and loosened your spark plugs, then you can extract them. Hopefully they come out easy. There you go. All right, so once you've pulled your spark plugs out, I have them here in order. You can inspect them to make sure there's no oil or any water or any odd deposits on them. They just look like normal worn plugs. I believe these plugs may have been in here since the maybe 2019 factory manufacturing. They're looking pretty good. So out with the old and in with the new. All right, so before we put them in there, we're gonna kind of do a quick comparison. And before we install our new ones, we're gonna add some anti-seize to all four. So now that I have my anti-seize on here, I'm just gonna kind of slowly fish them down. Since I don't have a rubber boot on my socket, I'm just gonna fish it down there until it kind of bottoms out. And I'll do that to all of them. Then I'll just tighten them down. So I'm not gonna torque these down, but on the internet it's causing for 12 to 18 foot-pounds. Different sources saying different things, but anywhere between that range. I mean, it's aluminum, so again, don't torque it down too tight. Don't tighten it too tight. So once we got everything tight now, we'll just put our coils back in, set everything down, plug them back up. Don't forget to push the clip back down once you plug up your coil. And we'll just tighten these guys back down. Oh, and by the way, definitely don't tighten these down. This is all plastic. So just put a little snug on them. And that's that. And plug your wires back up. Put your cover back on. That's that. Just kidding. Put this on. All right, that's that. Cover's back on, battery's connected. We'll fire the car up here shortly. And yeah. All right, guys, that's that. The installation of the spark plugs to 2019 Hyundai Sonata. These steps are applied to any other applications to any other car, to be honest with you. I overloaded the anti-seize on the spark plugs. You do not have to add that much. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you guys. And like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'm out.